Okay, so this is devlog number 7. It's been a while. It's been probably like 6 months since I've worked on this, but I figure I'd kind of come in here and tackle a low-hanging fruit, which is like the ability to distinguish between invites and friend requests. So before there was a little bit of logic around being able to distinguish between a friend request and an invite by like the color, but I didn't have any logic in place that would distinguish between like different invite types. So we can see here that there's currently 2 invite types and then a friend request, and then these are all considered like notifications generically. So if somebody was to like send you a custom game invite, it would be like this kind of orange yellowish color. You could hover it and then see that it has like the timestamp. Same thing with friend request. It's going to be a green color. And then you could have the timestamp there. And then if there was just like a generic party invite, like to like this type of lobby, then it would be blue. And then once again, you can see this timestamp. And then the same thing from like the user who sent the request, like Archmazing sent a pending friend request to Kareem. He could delete this if he wanted to. He could, check the timestamp of when he sent it. Same thing for this user over here, Senjoku, who sent a pending custom game invite, at 11:35 p.m. So it's just kind of this low-hanging fruit thing to help get me back into my application for distinguishing between invites and friend requests. And then the reasoning for this distinguishing between invites is because I've been working now on. So at first I had this logic in place for, you know, like inviting somebody to your party. But now I have another notion of custom games, which I'm working on currently. I'm going to do a video on this later once this is all in place. But now there's going to be the ability to, create a custom game and then invite somebody, which is a different type of invite than a general party invite. So there was like a need to distinguish between the two. And then currently right now where I'm at with this is, just the ability to, switch teams. This will update in like real time for everybody. Like if you had multiple people connected in, you could like change the player count, which will affect the slots available here. You could update like the map to something else. And then there's like some party visibility or custom game visibility. Like if you only want, friends to join, like invite only, if you want it to be open to friends to just kind of pop their heads in, or friends of friends, and then public. But I'm still working on all of this, so I'm going to make a separate video for custom games, but this is like a little preview, I guess. But yeah, that's kind of it right now. It was devlog number 7, but more to come, hopefully for custom games.